Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. Now we're talking about this Grand Combat Airdrop. So currently, I've been checking a lot. I saw this on their official. Now the Grand Combat Airdrop is coming to an end. So many airdrops are coming to an end. Some October, some November, some even December. So guys, now this Grand Combat, if you have been participating, think the airdrop is coming to an end. So these are the two criteria you need. The airdrop is coming to an end by November next month, but no specific date yet. It's just saying coming in November. Now, what to do? One is to connect your wallet to the game. Two is to verify your wallet to be eligible for the drop. Now, this verification is talking about turn. Once you open your Grand Cover app, it should. Now, one is to connect your wallet, is done. Two is to make a turn transaction of 0.2 turn. So let's just quickly, now this is how you make sure you have, make sure you have turn coin. You see the importance of having turn, very, very important. So let's do this. Okay, you see fee 0.002. Now it's done. Now it has confirmed your transaction sent. So let's just wait for it to verify. Let's just wait to verify. Good. Now you see it's showing your wallet has been successfully verified. So now I am eligible to receive the airdrop. So just close, confirm. So maybe I don't know what this one will withdraw, whatever. So guys, that is it. We are ready for the airdrop. So this was helpful. And also don't forget to join our community. Okay guys, that's it. See you on our next video.